In March 1913, Dayton, Ohio, faced one of the most catastrophic floods in U.S. history. Over a span of just 3 days, torrential rains and melting snow caused the Great Miami River to overflow, inundating homes and businesses. The city, unprepared for such a disaster, saw water levels rise dramatically, peaking at 20 feet in some areas. Approximately 360 lives were lost, and thousands were left homeless. The flood destroyed infrastructure, leading to a massive recovery effort. This tragedy spurred significant changes in urban planning and flood management, including the creation of levees and improved drainage systems, ensuring that such devastation would not be repeated in the future.